One of the largest RV shows in the country is now underway in Elkhart, Indiana. Mike Caudill is there for us. Mike, are they pushing a lot of electric or hybrid RVs?
Great question, Stuart. You know what? Here in Elkhart, the RV capital of the world, it's actually a combination of the two, right? We're not just talking about electric and we're not just talking about hybrid. Thor Industries, by the way, which their stock is up, they just announced this earlier in the week over my shoulder, and there's a lot of excitement. This is actually a Thor test vehicle in partnership with a company called Harbinger Motors out of Orange County, California. A normal hybrid vehicle is going to be gas, then electric. This one's actually electric and then gas. So it actually is charged. The batteries are charged by an onboard generator, and it gives you 500 miles of range. And what that's going to do is it's going to reduce range anxiety for consumers in the market. But I know you love performance, and I had to give this to you. It has a 0 to 60 time of 6 seconds. I mean, that's better than the Ford Explorer, which is pretty unique. Other trends we're seeing here in Elkhart, destination RVs, this new category, it's growing in strength. These are 41 feet in length, they're big in size, and they're giving consumers a chance to take your RV to one location, set it for a week or two, come and go as you want, and it's great. I want to close with this really fast. Winnebago just launched their new app. This allows you to control a variety of features on your RV just about anywhere in the market, called Winnebago Connect. You can control the climate if you're out in the market, anywhere you want to be, you're going to be able to control it. And lastly, just affordability, Stuart. I saw RVs under $20,000, average median age 32 years old, giving people a chance to get into the market. A lot of things happening in Elkhart, but a lot of excitement.
Okay, Mike Caudill, we got it. Thanks very much indeed. Now this.